I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Click Create Integration. Search and select WPForms for the trigger. Select a form, then click Next. Now search and select an action Pipedrive. Give here the Pipedrive API token, so please visit Pipedrive API token. Copy the token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose a module. Choose an organization. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Go to the Pipedrive site and go to the people. And you can see that the data came successfully in Pipedrive. Thanks for watching.